Oh, I saw your question on the discussion board. I'm pretty sure it comes from section 6.16.1. It'd be great if you identified the section your question was coming from. And it relates to compound interest. You want to use this formula here. P is how much you're going to invest, which in your problem was $10,000. R is the interest rate. In your particular problem, it's 12%, which you got to change to a decimal. That's very important. And it was compounded quarterly, which tells you that N is 4. N is how many times it's compounded per year. In this particular case, quarterly means 4 times a year. And then you got NT, and T is the number of years in this problem, which is 8. And A is how much money you'll have after 8 years. So you put this information into the formula. 10,000 goes here. The rate, 0.12, goes here. Quarterly, 4 times a year goes here and here. And then for 8 years. Now it's a matter of calculating this. 0.12 over 4 is 0.03, and you add 1 to it. And then it'll be 4 times 8 is 32, and you got to put that pretty much into a calculator. And I get this answer here. Multiply that by 10,000, so that's just going to move the decimal over 4 places, and then you want to round to the nearest penny, so this next digit's a 7, so I would add 1 to that and make it a 3. So it's $25,750.83 is how much money you would have after 8 years with this interest rate and that original amount of principal. Now your question did have on the end of it like $20 comma something in account paying. I couldn't quite make out what that meant. It'd be better if you post a picture of your problem than copy and paste. And when you copy and paste, not everything comes through correctly. I hope this helps.